Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so as it will encourage me. Okay, now first we're going to start off with doing something really beautiful. We're going to do a very simple yet a bit complex hairstyle today. We are going to do a simple braided ponytail, and as you can see, I am packing my hair. So I used, this is a kinky rope that I just brought out from a simple kinky that I had some time ago. So I tied it all round, and this is my Petals Gel. I'm going to use this and apply it all around my hair perimeters, in the front, in the back, left, right, to make sure it's really packed in properly and slayed in sleekly. So I'm just going to be doing that all around and make sure it's really laid down properly, as you can see. Then I'll use my breezy brush and just brush it all through to make it really stay smooth, laid down and beautiful. So I'm just gonna brush it left, right, center. As you can see, I'm doing it from the back as well. Then I'm going to use the same gel and just style my edges. As you can see, what this literally, these are one of my favorite things to do. I'll style my edges, style the front, style the back, make sure it's really beautiful and coming out well. This is what we're going to be using. So we're going to be using the Lush already picked attachment hair. You can get this at any hair salon. This is 3 parts. I had to divide it in 2 parts. I had one pack together, and then I divided the other pack into, I added it to the main one so it to be full and give me what I want. Then I used a thread and tied it firmly. I was thinking of using rubber band, but I'm not sure that would work for me because my hair is really soft. So I opted for the thread instead. I'm going to use this. As you can see, I'm going to tie my hair properly, so I'm just going around 360. Yeah, I love my hair like that. I'm just going to divide my hair in 3 parts, right? Then I'll ration the attachment in 3 parts. I'm just going to bring out a small tiny one from the front, as you can see. So we'd use it to just do the finishing at the end or at the beginning of it. So we're just going to use it to roll in when we're done with this. I started braiding it from the back gradually. It was quite full, but I was like, yeah, girl, you got this. So I started doing this. I had already picked the attachment. So the attachment I picked, I started adding it. I needed a certain length and I needed it to give me what I wanted. So I rationed the attachment in 7 parts. So as you can see, I'm picking it and adding to it, picking and adding to it. I loved the process. I loved how it was turning out. This is a really simple hairstyle, and I love how confident it made me look. I am just going to be braiding the hair. This is a very simple hairstyle, simple braid hairstyle. I would add, when I'm done, I would braid, I would add attachments, you see. So how you add here, you put it underneath it. That's how, at least that's how I do mine. You add your attachment underneath, so the top of it becomes really beautiful and sleek. So you just keep doing this whole process up until the very end. Yeah, so I had to comb the tip because it was becoming rough and I needed it to have a smooth finishing. So guys, this is how I continued doing all of this. I like it until the very tip, and when I got to the tip, I tied it so it really stays sleek. I noticed that the hair was really stiff and it was strong when I was done, and that's not how I wanted it to be. I'm using this to roll it all around, and I used my bobby pin to secure the hair properly, so it's to give it a really firm hold, of course. So here is it, guys, we're done. But if you notice, the hair is still really strong. So I boiled hot water. I'm going to use this hot water and really soften it. I was really careful here, but it was a really good feeling, trust me. So I had to soak it in hot water so it will feel soft, free, and very flexible. And this is the process basically. Yeah, so make sure it's really soaked in properly so it will give you what you want. See how soft it feels, you see how flexible it is now. Then after this, I started accessorizing my hair, one of my favorite things to do. I accessorized this and it gave me what I really wanted. I love this look, literally. And ta-da! I know. Stop. I know. I look cute. Thank you. This aside took me only 10 minutes. I promise you. Plus the boiling of water and everything, say 15 minutes max. And I'm definitely going to try this hair again. It was so simple, so easy, very flexible. And the beauty for me is styling my edges and accessorizing the hair. And I'm definitely going to try this look again, I promise you. So this is one hairstyle to try if you're feeling really girly, if you're feeling feminine, you really want to slay. This is one hairstyle to try. Let me know in the comment section if you're writing about this hair. Let me know if you would try this hairdo, because I definitely would. And let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section. I really enjoyed doing this look. I loved how flexible it was. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until next time, take care. Bye.